I am associated with the oil and gas sector for the last 45 years. I have worked with various organizations in India as well as outside India with the major oil companies in India like ONGC, Offshore, IOCL, HPCL, BPCL, and ADNOC Group companies. I worked in offshore group, offshore platforms, MOPU. We have worked on FPSO, worked on the refineries, petrochemicals, pipeline. I have been knowing Mr. Jan professionally for the last 40 years. He has been one of the major equipment supplier for oil and gas industry, and on behalf of the customer, we have been interacting with them for purchase of equipments for refineries.